Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fly and grow a garden too. Okay, let's get into it guys. So there is an item in Grow a Garden 2 that you can use to fly, and this item only appears during the rainbow log event. The item is rainbow carpet. You can get it for free during this event. You can go to your inventory and you will see this rainbow carpet, this one, and then you're going to equip it and use it to fly. Oops, wait. And when this rainbow weather is over, this item will also gone, so it's only available during the rainbow weather. Oh, okay, I've been already here, and then we can start to fly like this. If you want to fly high, just um look up. I mean, you can move your camera like this. Oh, so yeah, if you want to fly, just use the rainbow carpet, and then you can fly high as you can. Don't forget to look up so you will fly high. Okay guys, and that's how we can fly and grow a garden too. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.